All right, what do we know about vertical angles? They're equal. So if this angle right here, if this angle right here is 45, then this one's 45. They do touch, yes. They're across from the x, okay? And so, 1 second. All right, so that straight line is 180 degrees. So that means that this angle right here is just 180 minus 45. And that is 135. And then using vertical angles again, what must make the other angle? So when you have a problem like this, you're going to have two pairs of equal angles, obviously, because they're two vertical pairs. All right, so let's write out what this question is asking. YVX. And again, it doesn't matter if it's an arc or an angle, they're the same thing. In this case, it's an arc. Let's label our points. This is Y. This is X. This is W. This is V. So let's go ahead and see what YVX is. Oh, okay. Yeah, so it's a very big angle. It goes all the way around. Okay, but yeah, actually the easiest way to do this, I just want to show you guys that because a lot of the examples, you do have to fill all that in to solve it. This one though, you can just do what? What were you going to say? Yeah, 360 minus 45 to solve for YVX. And that's 315.